बहुत सारी लड़कियों ने प्रपोज किया है। स्कूल टाइम पे उतना नहीं, क्योंकि छोटे शहर थे। चाहा तुझे है जहाँ से भी ज़्यादा, तू ही मेरा प्यार गोरी, तू ही मेरा प्यार, पालूं तुझे तो पालूं जग सारा। हाय, मैं हूँ सुधांशु पांडे एंड यू वाचिंग टेली रिपोर्टर।
फर्स्ट लव प्रपोजल?
फर्स्ट लव प्रपोजल मैं शायद मैं 10th में था। 10th में था ना मैं, इतने साल हो गए वो भी याद नहीं। हाँ, मैं 10th में था शायद, मैंने पहली बार प्रपोज़ किया था। मेरी एक जूनियर थी मेरे स्कूल में, आर्मी स्कूल में मैं पढ़ता था, तो वहाँ पे मैंने अपनी ही एक जूनियर को प्रपोज़ किया था। और वो बहुत ज़्यादा वो समय था जब बहुत शर्माते थे लोग, तो मैं भी बहुत शर्मा रहा था, वो भी बहुत शर्मा रही थी। बट फाइनली आई थिंक शी अंडरस्टूड दैट आई वांटेड टू बेसिकली प्रपोज टू हर। So yes, that's what I did, and there was nothing filmy about it कि मैंने कुछ बहुत फूल या कार्ड जैसा कुछ, वो एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग सी हो गई थी आँखों ही आँखों में।
That was good. आपको कब मिला आपका फर्स्ट प्रपोजल? किसी लड़की ने प्रपोज किया?
बहुत सारी लड़कियों ने प्रपोज किया है, और स्कूल टाइम पे उतना नहीं, क्योंकि छोटे शहर थे, और जिस तरह के माहौल में हम लोग थे वहाँ पे इतना ज़्यादा एक्सप्रेसिव नहीं हुआ करते थे लोग, और इतनी ओपननेस नहीं थी, तो उस टाइम तो नहीं। लेकिन बाद में जब मैं प्रोफेशन, आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग व्हेन आई वाज स्टिल अ टीनेजर, व्हेन आई वाज 19 व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड मॉडलिंग। तो उसके बाद बहुत सारे ऑब्वियसली प्रपोजल्स है, बिकॉज उस माहौल में आप आ जाते हो तो फ्रीडम भी होती है, और लोग एक्सप्रेसिव भी ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं एक उम्र के बाद। तो उसके बाद मुझे बहुत सारे प्रपोजल्स मिले। हाँ।
फर्स्ट किस?
अरे बाप रे, माई फर्स्ट किस वॉज विद द सेम गर्ल जिनको मैंने पहली बार प्रपोज किया था। हाँ।
फर्स्ट हार्ट ब्रेक?
First heartbreak, very difficult to say, but I think it was with my second girlfriend. Second girlfriend, who I was seeing for a longer while, and who I probably got attached to. Is when that didn't work out, so I had a little heartbreak, and I think I nursed myself out of it very quickly also.
Okay. So what it was very like depressed?
No, not at all.
First celebrity crush?
Celebrity crush first. Very difficult to say, but I think it would be one of the old heroines, yeah. Probably Madhubala. Yeah, she was absolutely stunning. Yeah, so I think it would be Madhubala.
First moment of achievement?
When I got my first paycheck, from the suitings campaign that I started with in Delhi when I was 19, and it was a huge sum, and it was much bigger than my father's salary also, and that was, I think, my biggest achievement to begin with.
First movie which changed your perception?
As an actor in it, or as a viewer?
As a viewer, as actor both.
There have been many films here. It's very difficult to say that any film has changed my perspective about something. I think I've never taken films in such a way that it would change my perspective, but definitely a great way to see somebody else's perspective. Okay, that's what films are for me. For me, the biggest teacher has been life. Life has changed my perspective. I've lived a life with a lot of ups and downs, and lots of problems, and lots of good times, and lots of hard times. So that has slowly made me what I am today, and I think that is what changed my perspective. So life is the biggest film for me and biggest teacher till date.
First public fight?
First public fight was when I was still in army school, and it was a bad fight. It was a really bad fight, and I think that was not good. So that wasn't good, and I don't think I can elaborate much on that, because it was a really bad fight.
First mentor outside family?
My first mentor outside my family, there have been a few. I would say that there have been people who came into my life for a certain period, guided me in a certain direction, showed me a certain direction, and went away in due course of time. So there have been a few people, I won't say one person who has mentored me, but like I said, life has been a teacher, so there have been people and incidents that have come into my life and gone, and they've shown me a direction, and guided me.
First time you felt cheated?
First time I felt cheated?
Yeah.
I think it was when I was still very young, living in Delhi as a model, and there was a friend who I had supported for a very long time because he had nothing. And then I think he turned his back on me at some point in time, and I think that's when I felt a little cheated, and I thought this wasn't right.
First time you felt most special.
I think it was probably during my marriage, when I got married, because that's the first time I felt so important in life because I think there was so much importance being given by the families and people around, and so I think that is when I felt very, very special.
Did mom made you feel special?
She obviously, when she proposed to me, obviously that time we were too young we got married very early, but I think that time I didn't realize it. I said yes immediately, and I think I really felt very special when post formalizing everything, the whole scenario changes and everybody starts to make you feel very special. Ghar ka damad, ye wo tamam cheezein to. So yeah, so I think that's how it happened.
First good or bad rumor you heard about yourself?
I don't know if I can call it good or bad, but it was just I just thought it was funny because when I was with the band of boys and my first video released, and I was wearing an outfit which had a very long slit here and it open chested kind of, so everybody could see my cleavage, and I think somebody had, one newspaper had given me Cleavage of the Year award because of that, and I thought it was very funny, giving a man Cleavage of the Year. And then some friends of mine told me that they were sitting at a restaurant and the video was playing, and they said that this Baju wala person said, "Arey, tujhe pata hai, this guy is gay." Yeah, so I think it was just very, very funny because people thought that because I was wearing something like that, I was probably gay and not a heterosexual man.
Okay, no. So any message to your viewers, like जो fans आपको जितने पसंद कर रहे हो?
Well, to the viewers, I would say thank you very much. And this has been a beautiful journey from the time we started Anupamaa. We started shooting in July, and in the middle of the pandemic, in the thick of all the issues, and in spite of all the difficulties and struggles that we've gone through, it is your love that has made this possible, that we've crossed this milestone of 200 episodes. And please keep your love coming so that we can cross more and more milestones and make this a success story to be looked at. चाहा तुझे है जहाँ से भी ज़्यादा, तू ही मेरा प्यार गोरी, तू ही मेरा प्यार, पालूं तुझे तो पालूं जग सारा, तू ही मेरा प्यार गोरी, तू ही मेरा प्यार, तू ही मेरा प्यार गोरी, तू ही मेरा प्यार. Thank you.